Imagine waking up every morning with a brain that is just a little slower than yesterday, not because you are aging, not because you are sick, but because of habits that feel completely normal. Scrolling your phone, skipping sleep, doing 5 things at once. The frightening part? Your brain changes itself based on what you repeatedly do. Every single day you are teaching your brain how to work. The question is, are you making it stronger or weaker? Most people think brain damage happens suddenly, after an accident, or with old age. But neuroscience tells a different story. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself, adjusting its own wiring based on what you repeat moment after moment without you ever noticing. Tiny daily behaviors, repeated thousands of times, can reshape attention, memory, emotions, and even intelligence. Today we are exploring 6 habits that quietly weaken your brain, and one of them is something almost everyone does every single day. Habit 1. Endless short-form content. Imagine this. You open your phone to check one message. 20 minutes later, you are still scrolling, and you cannot even remember what you were looking for. Here is something fascinating. Every short video delivers a tiny hit of dopamine, the chemical linked to reward and motivation. Your brain starts predicting that reward before the next video even loads. Scientists call this reward prediction, and platforms are built to trigger it every few seconds. The strange part is, this does not just waste time. It quietly reshapes what your brain considers interesting. After enough scrolling, a 200-page book feels unbearably slow. A 10-minute conversation feels like it is dragging. Your attention span is not disappearing. It is being trained to expect constant novelty. Picture attention being pulled by a magnet, jumping from one flash of color to the next, never resting long enough to focus. Mindset shift. Notice when you reach for stimulation out of boredom. That small pause is where attention gets rebuilt. You might think scrolling is the biggest problem here, but the next habit changes your brain, even while you are asleep. Habit 2. Treating sleep like it's optional. Think about this. You tell yourself you will sleep more this weekend, but your brain does not save up rest like a bank account. Here is something most people never learn. Sleep is not your brain shutting down. It is your brain going to work. Scientists discovered a cleaning system inside the brain called the glymphatic system, which activates mainly during deep sleep. Picture your brain washing itself overnight, flushing out waste that builds up during a normal day of thinking. At the same time, your brain is quietly organizing memories, deciding what to keep and what to let fade, and strengthening the connections tied to what you learned. Skip that process enough nights in a row, and focus becomes foggy. Learning becomes harder. Emotional reactions become bigger than they should be. You are not just tired, you are operating on a brain that never finished cleaning itself. Mindset shift. Treat sleep as part of your training, not a pause from it. The gains you made today get locked in tonight. But even a full night of sleep cannot undo what happens next if your mind never fully focuses on one thing at a time. Habit 3. Living in constant multitasking mode. Picture this. You are replying to messages while studying, watching TV while working, checking notifications every few minutes just in case. It feels productive. Here's the surprising part. Your brain does not actually multitask. It rapidly switches between tasks, and each switch comes with a cost. Neuroscientists call this a switching cost, a small delay every time attention jumps from one task to another. Those delays add up, quietly draining what is called working memory, the mental space you use to hold and process information. Picture rusty gears trying to shift quickly between 2 different machines, grinding a little more each time. Constant multitasking does not just slow you down. Over time, it makes deep, sustained focus feel uncomfortable, almost unnatural. Mindset shift. Give one task your full attention, even for 10 minutes. That is the exercise that rebuilds focus. But there is a habit that changes your brain chemistry even when you are not doing anything at all. Habit 4. Chronic stress. Imagine constantly feeling busy, even when nothing urgent is happening. Work stress, financial pressure, a to-do list that never actually ends. Scientists noticed something troubling. Your brain cannot always tell the difference between real danger and constant psychological stress. Both trigger the release of cortisol, a stress hormone designed for short bursts of emergency, not for daily background noise. Picture a battery constantly draining, never given the chance to fully recharge. Chronic cortisol exposure affects the amygdala, the brain's alarm system, making it more reactive. At the same time, it weakens the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for planning, patience, and clear decision-making. Over months, this combination changes how you think, remember, and react, often without you noticing the shift. You snap at small things that never used to bother you. You forget details you would normally catch instantly. Not because something is wrong with you, because your brain has been running its emergency system for months without a real emergency in sight. Mindset shift: your body reacts to stress in the moment, but recovery happens in the pauses. Protect small windows of true rest every single day. But the fifth habit is not about doing too much. It is about never doing anything difficult at all. Habit 5. Never challenging your brain. Here is something fascinating about how the brain works. It follows a simple rule: use it or lose it. This is neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to physically change based on what you practice. Skills you use regularly get stronger, faster connections. Skills you ignore slowly fade. Always watching, never creating. Always consuming, never solving a problem. Always comfortable, never confused. Picture a garden left untouched, where weeds slowly take over the space where something useful used to grow. Psychologists describe something called cognitive reserve, extra mental capacity built through learning, problem solving, and new challenges. People with stronger cognitive reserve tend to handle stress, aging, and setbacks far better. Comfort feels good in the moment, but an unchallenged brain slowly grows weaker, the same way an unused muscle does. Mindset shift: seek out one small, uncomfortable mental challenge each week. That discomfort is the exercise. And this brings us to the final habit, the quietest one of all, and maybe the most important. Habit 6. Living without quiet. This is the emotional finale. Think about the last time you sat completely alone, with no phone, no music, no podcast, no noise at all. For most people, that moment barely exists anymore. Here is the strange part: your brain actually needs silence. Scientists discovered a network called the default mode network, which activates during quiet, unfocused moments, not when you are distracted, but when you are simply still. This network helps consolidate memories, process emotions, and generate the kind of creative connections that busy, noisy moments rarely allow. Phone during meals, music every second, constant background noise filling every possible silence. Without realizing it, you may be blocking the exact mental space your brain uses to make sense of your own life. Boredom often feels uncomfortable, but boredom is frequently where creativity, insight, and self-understanding quietly begin. Some of your best ideas were never born in a busy moment. They were born in the 5 quiet minutes you almost filled with noise and did not. Mindset shift: protect small pockets of true silence, even 5 minutes. Not to be unproductive, but to let your brain finally catch up with itself. Here is the good news. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. The same neuroplasticity that allows bad habits to weaken it also allows good habits to rebuild it. Every choice you repeat becomes part of your brain's wiring. You are never just passing time. You are training your mind. Your brain is not shaped by your biggest decisions. It is shaped by the tiny ones, repeated every day. One scroll, one skipped night of sleep, one distraction, one moment of silence. Over months, those moments become who you are. So ask yourself, what kind of brain are you building today? Which of these 6 habits surprised you the most? Or which one do you think affects you the most? Leave your answer below. And if you enjoy learning the hidden psychology behind everyday human behavior, subscribe to Psychology Circles, because understanding your brain is the first step toward protecting it.